Poka-Yoke. What is Poka-Yoke? Poka-Yoke means mistake proofing or error prevention. Poka-Yoke prevents defects from being made. Poka-Yoke highlights a defect so that it is not passed to the next operation. Benefits of Poka-Yoke. 1. Poka-Yoke saves time and money by preventing defects or being made defective products. 2. It is difficult to find all defects by inspection, so we can use Poka-Yoke for effective and efficient operation. 3. Poka-Yoke prevents human error, and it is a very important tool. Thank you. I hope you learned something, and don't forget to follow us for more knowledge.